Okay, I'll just do a quick video for you, just to show you. This is the typical interior crack, and I mean that for real. I don't know if you've seen doors, but they always crack there, so that's hard to find. Not there, but otherwise, panels are in good shape. They're black. I think these were painted. I don't actually, I don't know. They might be original. They look almost too dark because they came out with a couple dark colors in the 03 to 06 era, but a couple scratches there. Maybe this looks just like dirt though. So pretty good shape. Like I said, it's hard to tell if these are somebody's been painted or not. If they did a decent job at them, but they might be factory. So that's that. That's the inside, and then outside. Let's see, no rust, and I don't see any. Not even dings on these. Normally the mirrors come off. I usually never sell them with the mirrors, but I can do that if you want the mirrors. Those mirrors I think they're okay. Yeah, those look good actually. That one anyway. That's passenger side. Driver's side's always see there's the crack again. It's just when the door flexes, it just isn't the area they flex in. So. Any other areas that are cracked? I don't see anything there. And then driver's sides. Yeah, that guy's cracked there, that mirror. But again, I'll give you those if you want them. That's something we usually include anyway. Door hinges on them are black. Obviously, I don't know if that's original or if somebody put those look original because they have the threads on the bottom. Usually the aftermarket ones don't. And once again, I don't even see any dings on these. They're pretty clean. These actually could be sold for a little bit more, but if you decide you want them, just let me know. It's no big deal. I'll bring them down for you. This is the only set I have at the moment. Doors are getting kind of hard to get, especially on TJs. Okay, so if you've seen anything that I didn't see, the gaskets are pretty torn here. So you probably want to replace those and get those through us or somebody else, through Crown or one of the big retailers online. Set this so it doesn't mess up here. Yeah, so if there's anything you've seen on it that I glazed over, didn't see, or passed up, just let me know. Yeah, those doors, I think that might have been the original color, which is gold, I actually have a Jeep this color, so I think it definitely wasn't that green that's on them. So okay, hopefully that helps, and just let me know, we'll figure it out. Thank you.